So today I'll show you about these three of the biggest AI tools right now, ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, and help you figure out which one is truly best for creators. Whether you create videos, design social media content, write blogs, script tutorials, or manage clients, choosing the right AI can literally change your workflow and save you hours every single day. And the truth is, not all AI tools are built the same. Some are better for creativity, others are more logical, and some are perfect for fast research or factual tasks. In this breakdown, I'll walk you through each AI step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly which one matches your style, your content needs, and your daily workflow. So you can produce faster, work smarter, and create with less stress. So let's get started. We will cover accuracy, creativity, speed and ease of use, pricing, advanced features, best for creators, pro tips, and for final thoughts. So first, accuracy matters most when you're researching, explaining complex topics, or creating tutorials that must be correct. So ChatGPT is extremely consistent and well balanced. It explains things clearly, follows instructions closely, and rarely goes off topic. Its pre-planned memory also makes its answers feel more personalized over time, giving it a big advantage for creators who need reliable recall. Claude is all about careful reasoning. It's the most precise when it comes to logic, step-by-step breakdowns, and long documents. However, its memory is limited, meaning it forgets preferences much faster than ChatGPT. Gemini, lastly, is excellent for fact-based information because it pulls from Google's ecosystem. However, without free memory, Gemini cannot build long-term personalization unless you subscribe to its paid version. This is where creators will feel the biggest differences. ChatGPT is the strongest all-around creative tool. It can write scripts, generate ideas, brainstorm hooks, rewrite content, and adapt to any tone. It's great for YouTube creators, digital marketers, writers, and editors. Claude feels the most human. It writes emotional, expressive, and story-driven content. If you create long stories, personal narratives, essays, or deep commentary, Claude shines. Gemini gives quick ideas and short creative suggestions. It's great for fast brainstorming, but does not match ChatGPT or Claude in depth, humor, tone, or storytelling. Next, for speed and ease of use, ChatGPT has fast responses, simple interface, and powerful projects feature. Projects allow you to keep separate memory spaces, perfect for handling multiple clients, brands, or content types. Claude is minimalist, fast, and easy to navigate. Also has projects, which helps keep things separate. But memory limitations mean it won't remember as much between sessions. Gemini is clean and quick, but not advanced in organization. No projects, memory is only available for paid version. So next, advanced features. Here's everything that truly separates the three. So for memory, ChatGPT has free and paid memory. Claude has limited memory. And Gemini has only for paid version. And for planned memory, ChatGPT and Gemini has plan-based memory. However, Claude has still limited. Custom instructions, ChatGPT has 250 word limit. Claude has very large input, no clear limit. Gemini has paid version only. So for auto recall, ChatGPT has this feature. Also with Gemini, but Gemini has only the paid version. Claude, on the other hand, has none. So for projects, this feature has it on ChatGPT and Claude. However, on Gemini, it doesn't. So for temporary chats, all three of them has these feature. And for edit or delete memory, ChatGPT can delete memory. However, on Gemini, you can edit and delete, but it's only for paid version. And for Claude, it doesn't have this feature. So for pricing, ChatGPT has free plan. Paid plans, Plus, Team, and Pro. Best free value because it includes free plan memory. Claude, free plan, paid Pro tier, typically more expensive for heavy workloads due to token usage. Gemini has free plan. However, it also had paid tier, and it's for Gemini Advanced. This is great for Google heavy workloads, but memory features required a subscription. So next is for best for creators. ChatGPT is best overall, perfect for YouTube scripts, editing, social media content, research, email writing, tutorials, and multi-step workflows. Claude is best writing quality. Perfect for storytelling, long-form content, emotional writing, essays, and character development. And lastly, Gemini is the best for Google ecosystem. This is perfect for fast fact-checking, simple tasks, Google Docs, Gmail workflows, and quick summaries. And on this section, I'll be providing you pro tips for getting the best results. So first, use role prompting for clearer results. So for example, act as a YouTube video creator. This instantly improves accuracy. Second, store your style and custom instructions. ChatGPT remembers your tone, format, and preferences automatically. Third, use Claude for rewriting long emotional content. It enhances clarity and flow better than any other model. Fourth, use Gemini when dealing with anything Google related. Docs, Sheets, Google, and quick fact-checking respond instantly. And fifth, combine tools for maximum results. Many creators write with Claude, edit with ChatGPT, fact-check with Gemini. So lastly, sixth tip, use projects to manage clients or channels separately. ChatGPT and Claude both support projects, perfect for creators handling multiple brands. And that's it. That's my full breakdown comparing ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Three of the most powerful AI assistants creators are using today. Each tool brings something unique. ChatGPT gives you the best overall balance, creativity, speed, memory, organization, and writing power. Claude delivers the most natural and emotional writing, perfect for deep stories and long-form scripts. Gemini gives you ultra-fast, fact-based help, quick ideas, and seamless Google integration. The best part here is, you don't have to choose just one. Most creators actually use a combination. ChatGPT is for scripting, Claude is for rewriting, and Gemini for research. The real power comes from knowing which tool handles which job best. Experiment with them, learn their strengths, and build a workflow that feels natural to you. The more comfortable you become, the faster and more efficient your content creation process will be. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you decide which AI fits your creative journey. That's it. That's my quick take about these tools.